Hello everybody. Today we can see about Mindray calcium kit for Erzenezo 3 method. In the top angle we can see the brand name Mindray, then product name calcium kit for Erzenezo 3 method. CA for calcium symbol. In the bottom we can see reference number CA0102. This kit contains one reagent 4 into 40 ml. Here we can see the lot number and the expiry date. One instruction manual inside this kit. This is C certificate IVD product. You should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. In the bottom we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. You should maintain the temperature. That's why I am using the ice pack. This is the overall front view of this kit. We can see the other angles. On the side we can see a blank space. On the back we can see for in vitro diagnostic use. On the other side, bottom we can see the brand name Mindray, then manufacturing details of this kit. This is overall representation of this kit. Now I am going for summary. Today we can see Mindray calcium kit for Erzenezo 3 method. This kit contains one reagent 4 into 40 ml. Thank you.